Hi, this is Christian Palermo, and this is the optional project for EECS 1011. I'll start off by doing a quick run through of my setup for the project. So on the right of the screen, you can see I have my vinegar and baking soda. That is used to produce CO2s to mimic the CO2s produced by a fire. Next to that, I have the ECO2 sensor, which is used to measure the CO2s produced from the baking soda and vinegar. This sensor was connected to the board in port I2C. Of course, the most important part of my setup is in the middle of the screen, the Arduino board, which is connected to my computer via USB-C. In port D2 of my Arduino board, I had the MOSFET sensor, which was connected to a 9-volt battery, which powered the water pump, which you can see in the top left of my screen, which transferred the water from the container into the other container representing a fire hose putting out a fire. In total, this system was supposed to represent a fire alarm system that went off, made a buzzer, flashed a light, and sent water into the container. The following video is a demonstration of the fire alarm system in action. Prior to the demonstration, I used the ECO2 sensor to measure a value of the air in normal conditions, meaning that if the sensor provided a value any higher than this normal value, something unusual is happening. The CO2s produced from the vinegar baking soda mix was almost double the allowed limit in my code, which was 400 parts per million. If we analyze my code, we can see that the main part of it is the if-else statement. This statement represents the equation that if the measured CO2 level is any higher than the allowed limit of 400 parts per million, it will iterate the loop, turning on the red LED, turning on the buzzer, and activating the water pump. Now, if this condition is false, the program will warn the user that the air quality is safe and there is no need to worry. The background of the video is a screen recording of the program running in MATLAB during the previous demonstration. As you can see, the program was properly able to warn the user that the air quality was not safe and to find fresh air. Not only this, but was able to sound the fire alarm and activate the water to extinguish the fire.